template, the reconnection of the human biocircuitry through alchemical ceremony. The solution is never found at the level of the problem. The template is a holonomic interactive model of transcendence, linking alchemical ceremony, sonic codes, sacred geometry, neurochemistry, and the endocrine system to DNA resurrection and the transformation of the morphogenetic field, transcending the mutant mortal paradigm and reconnecting humanity and its mother planet to the holistic space-time continuum. The human race, its mother planet, and the solar system are in the throes of an evolutionary acceleration as the stars and planets move through the grand crosses and alignments that are bringing the momentum of this age to its grand finale, its punctuated equilibrium. What may be perceived as a crisis is the darkness of the womb that births new life. The rotting fruit falls away to reveal the new seed. The more we can comprehend and appreciate the progressive influences that are guiding this time of transition, the more we can consciously implicate ourselves in and benefit from the phenomenal opportunities that are available during a phase of culmination. As we witness the deterioration within the ecological, social, political, and economic world structures, we can welcome and celebrate these signs of decay as the milestones of humanity's deliverance from a dualistic paradigm. Embracing our collective responsibility to achieve a level of personal transformation that will impact the human morphogenetic field, as transformation on the level of this matrix is vital to sustainable enlightenment and conscious evolution on a planetary scale. Transcendence of duality is understood as the ultimate goal of the 21st century alchemist. The new synthesis of science and spirituality recognizes matter and spirit to be one energy in different stages of manifestation, altering the way in which we perceive ourselves and our reality. Intrinsic to the theoretical base of this higher physics of creation is the recognition of the holographic nature of all manifestation. Through the embrace of this holonomic awareness, we can acknowledge and appreciate on ever-deepening levels the symbiotic resonance that defines us as individualized aspects of one unified body of divine consciousness. This holistic model has inspired in us an expanded awareness of our physical bodies and has influenced us to explore the concept of regeneration at the fulcrum level, changing the patterns of our behavior, not by attempting to alter their obtuse manifestation, but by affecting the fountainhead from which they emerge. Driven to gain mastery over our inner workings and to discover how we interact with and co-create our reality, instead of searching for the out-of-body experience in order to realize our spiritual identity, we are aware that our physicality is the pinnacle of the manifestation of our divinity. We are unborn, eternal, and everlasting. Never was there a time when we did not exist. Never will there come a time when we cease to be. The masterpiece of human design is the sensory organ for planetary ascension, as Earth is the sensory organ for human ascension. The physical vehicles we embody are the instruments through which we will transcend this fear-based reality and create, through the resurrection of our full genetic potential, a new paradigm, a golden age. In the words of Terence McKenna, the mind is more powerful than any particle accelerator, more sensitive than any radio receiver or the largest optical telescope, more complete in its grasp of information than any computer. The human body, its voice, its power of locomotion, and its imagination is a more than sufficient means for the exploration of any time or energy level in the universe. Through alternative healing methods, we have become aware of our electromagnetic energy fields and the importance of our neurobiology and biochemistry. Through this and the discoveries made in the area of genetics, we are becoming aware that our chemistry affects our consciousness. Taking this further, we are now making the connection between the mutant state of our DNA and the present global insanities of war, genocide, and endless human suffering. These atrocities are not the results of a confluence of degenerative circumstances. Neither are they culturally, economically, or politically engendered. Nor can they be attributed to the truthless charge of the innate corruption of human nature. This fear-based dualistic paradigm and its myriad deviant programs can be traced to the modification of the human blueprint and the resultant visual audible feedback of the reality matrix that mirrors the degraded state of our collective consciousness. Earth's position within the solar system at this time is drawing her into alignment with the galactic core, opening a grand starry avenue of coherent communion with the heart of the cosmos, rendering Earth and her inhabitants susceptible to exponentially intensifying density waves. The photonic codes embedded in these activation streams are a superoperable feed of transubstantiated source consciousness, geometrically patterned to stimulate and upgrade our evolutionary symbiotic relationship with light, with each other, our Earth, and every planet within the original design of our solar system. Our ability to access these codes and harmonically recalibrate with these cosmic influences is reliant upon our ability to receive, translate, and utilize light.